Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Google Slides deck and Zoom meeting simultaneously so you don't scramble. Once done, confirm you're signed into the correct Google account and that the deck is in the tab or window you'll share. Make sure Zoom permissions are allowed for screen sharing on your OS. This avoids last-minute blocks. Also choose whether you need share computer sound for videos. This preserves audio quality. When your window is ready, pause, check the thumbnails, and prepare to present. You click Share Screen in Zoom and pick the browser window showing Google Slides. Selecting the window rather than the whole screen avoids exposing other apps. Once shared, use Google Slides Present Mode. Choose Presenter View on a second display or full screen if single monitor. If you have video content, check Optimize for video to keep playback smooth. Use Zoom's Annotate and Remote Control options to highlight points, and remember to mute notifications. This keeps the focus on your slides and voice. You control the pace with arrow keys or a clicker, and you can glance at presenter notes if they are on a second screen. When finished, stop sharing from the Zoom toolbar so the meeting returns to gallery view. If you recorded, verify the recording processed properly. If participants report no sound, first toggle Share Computer Sound off and on, then reselect the browser window. This usually resets the audio stream. If problems persist, pause, stop sharing, restart the share, and resume the deck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.